Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today we're doing a product review. Sakerplus electric vacuum sealer for mason jars. Let's see what we got going on here. We've got the little sealer. Looks like it'll do two sizes. Small jars and the big jars. That's pretty nifty. Comes with a charger. Looks like we've got some jar lids and a jar opener. Well, today I was harvesting amaranth seeds and carrot seeds, and I've been kind of waiting. I knew this was coming. I want to seal these so I got the air out of them. By looking at the instructions, it takes about 20 seconds once you put it on and you get a seal. Well, let's see. So that's lined up. Push the button. Push to stop. See what we got. Well, here's our telltale sign. There you go, vacuum sealed. Let me go ahead and seal this one up for real. I'm not going to open it back up. You center that on there, push that on. You don't have to push on very hard, but I think you want to make sure your rubber seals all the way around there. And there you go. That feels like it's held on there. And this is a regular canning lid, so that indentation is pulled down in there. So that's got a vacuum seal. That's pretty slick. These seeds ought to last quite a bit longer. Same thing here with the amaranth seeds. You just twist and it comes unlocked, and there you got your largemouth. Okay. So, got our lid on there. 20, 21. So it does have an LED counter. And that little dent's down. Well, let's try this. That's a pretty good seal. 21 seconds. Said 20 plus. That comes right off. Looks centered. Looks like we got a seal. Oh, that would be bad if I dropped all those amaranth seeds on the ground. I'm just going to lightly set that ring on there. Alright. As far as a vacuum sealer goes, this is pretty easy to use. It says it'll do 200 jars in a charge. You know, I am a coffee drinker. When you get those soft bags, you just fold them over. I'm going to start putting them in a jar and sealing them. That'll keep that fresher longer. I like this. Saker electronic mason jar vacuum sealer. If you're interested in something like this, I'll have a link to my Amazon store in the description box below. Christmas is coming. Be careful when you open it up not to spill some of your seeds. That vacuum was pretty strong. Well, I want to thank you for stopping by and taking a look at this new product. I'm pretty happy with it. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.